Number 38, another goal question, but again, follow the instructions. Go with what they're telling you to do here. There's a larger paragraph, but we only need to read 2 sentences of this. It says we need to set up the main idea of the following 2 sentences. So that really means we're looking from here down to here. So one sentence is big, but we're just going to try to get some sort of dumb summary to better understand what we're trying to set up. And notice as I do this, I'm not going to read the sentence that includes the underlying portion. I want to kind of go in unbiased. So let me just read what I'm told, and then let's see from there what else I need to think about. So it says, in addition to supervillains, the new, soon-to-be iconic characters of the age, Spider-Man, the Fantastic Four, and the Hulk among them, had to cope with mundane, real-life problems, including paying the rent, dealing with family squabbles, and facing anger, loneliness, and ostracism. Their interior lives were richer, and their motivations more complex. So, okay, the key thing that seems to be repeated here, mundane, real life, paying the rent, family squabbles, anger, loneliness, blah, blah, blah. So these are boring superheroes in their own way. So yeah, I'm looking for a choice that kind of sets that up. So let's see what we have already in here. By contrast, the second Silver Age of comics was marked by characters that, though somewhat simplistic by today's standards, were provided with origin stories often involving scientific experiments gone wrong. Well, that doesn't seem too boring to me. So that doesn't seem to match my dumb summary. Choice B reflected the increasing conservatism of the United States in the 1950s. Well, that's kind of boring, but not in a way that the superheroes are boring. So we want to see that the superheroes themselves are kind of boring. This is more about some broader thing about the United States. So this goes beyond the superheroes. C, they engaged in bizarre adventures frequently inspired by science fiction. That sounds like the opposite of boring. That something's interesting and bizarre about these superheroes. Hopefully it's D, they were more realistic than their Golden Age counterparts. Yeah, I mean, this is a perfect match. Realistic with real-life problems. So we're not really being too clever here. They're setting us up. And most of these accomplish the goal questions will have these matching ideas that make it really obvious what the right answer is. So remember, we're trying to match those ideas, not just go with the sentence that we find most interesting or that we think sounds best. Go with what they are instructing you to do, and you should not have a problem on the vast majority of these goal questions.